Tainui have harboured grievances for 130 years. Today's apology took just 4 minutes.
The Waikato Party Claim Settlement Bill, 1995.
Presented by the Prime Minister, the bill already has the support of Parliament and now finally is signed by the Queen in triplicate. This is the first time the Queen has ever signed any law in public, and it's the first New Zealand law ever signed by her. Usually the Governor-General does the honours. And another first, this law includes an apology to Māori. It reads, the Crown expresses its profound regret and apologises unreservedly for the loss of lives because of the hostilities arising from its invasion. It goes on, the Crown acknowledges that the subsequent confiscations of land and resources were wrongful. There to witness today's final chapter, Tainui elders and the Māori Queen, Dame Te Atarangi Kahu. On display too, the special greenstone mere presented to government by Tainui when the original deal was first agreed to.
Because there's a difference of colour, isn't it?
Tainui had wanted the Queen to apologise in person on Waikato land. Buckingham Palace ruled that out.